This is Accurate TV News,
where you get your news on time, on point, and online.
24-year-old firefighter charged over police shootout in Nannyville. 24-year-old firefighter Jordan Gabidon has been charged in relation to a shootout with the police in Nannyville Gardens in St. Andrew earlier this year. Gabidon has been charged with shooting with intent, illegal possession of firearm, illegal possession of ammunition, and malicious destruction of property in connection with the July 8 incident. The police report that about 9:15 p.m., a team from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigations Branch, CTOC, were conducting operations in the area when they gathered intelligence about a group of men who were traveling in a Toyota Mark X motor car. The police say the car was intercepted on Colonel Harris Path in Kingston 3. A firefight ensued and the two men were fatally shot. The police say the Toyota Mark X motor car was later searched and several items seized. Recovered were 3 illegal guns, 3 empty magazines, 17 9mm cartridges, 2 Apple iPhones, and a Samsung cell phone, according to the police. The police say investigators are still working to formally identify the deceased men. However, they are believed to be 27-year-old Orion Lee, otherwise called Indian or Pablo, and Prince Davis, a 26-year-old painter. Investigators believe the men are from Nannyville Garden, Kingston 3. Gabidon, who managed to elude the scene, turned himself in to the police and was pointed out on an identification parade on Monday, July 18. He was later charged following a question and answer interview. Man accused of raping teen cousins denied bail. A St. Anne hotel worker who is accused of raping his 2 underage cousins was denied bail when he appeared in the St. Catherine Home Circuit Court today. The girls, who are 15 and 12, are reported to be the sisters of the defendant's 17-year-old girlfriend. The 24-year-old is charged with 2 counts of rape, having sex with a person under 16, and grievous sexual assault. He was refused bail after the court was informed that he threatened the father of the alleged victims. The accused was ordered to return to court on September 13. Policeman recounts confrontation at obstruction trial of attorney Gordon Brown. A policeman today recounted a confrontation between cops and attorney-at-law Gordon Brown, who is on trial for obstructing the police and attempting to pervert the course of justice. Unukian Lakim, businessman Michael Issa, up. Detective Constable Julian Fraser testified in the St. James Parish Court today. Fraser told the court that Brown made the remark while holding onto Issa. He said that he subsequently warned Brown not to obstruct police personnel. Allegations are that on January 13 this year, the attorney sought to prevent the businessman from being detained by cops attached to the Criminal Investigation Branch at the Montego Bay Police Station in St. James in relation to a firearm he reportedly failed to hand over to the police. Issa was arrested and charged with negligent loss of a firearm, indecent language, and resisting arrest when he went to make a police report on January 13, hours after his stepson was abducted and killed. The matter of Issa's licensed firearm, which went missing on December 17, 2021, and was subsequently found, is unrelated to the child's death. The negligent loss of firearm charge was eventually dismissed. However, Issa is to be tried in relation to the other charges. At Brown's trial today, his attorney, Queen Counsel Carolyn Reed Cameron, rejected the policeman's testimony during cross-examination. He called his investigative competency into question, citing his admitted failure to record particular details about his previous interactions with Issa before the confrontation with Brown. Reed Cameron is to continue her cross-examination when the trial resumes on August 23. By that time, the defense is to be served with documents in the case. The trial is being heard by Parish Judge Sasha Ashley.